Hey, welcome to another one of our episodes. Look who's here. Tammy from the Weekend Bartender.
Hi.
We're going to do some pretty cool chicken legs today. What are you going to do?
Drunken strawberry chicken legs.
Drunken strawberry chicken legs. And you're going to cook these in the Masterbuilt, right?
Masterbuilt smoker, yeah.
Right. So to get this going, right, I've got a little duck fat. Most of y'all know, right? If you're going to smoke chicken, the skin doesn't get very crispy. I'm not saying it's going to be crispy, but the duck fat will help get the skin more crispy than it would if you didn't use it at all. If you don't want to buy duck fat or you don't have it, you can use olive oil. You can use that spray. What's it called? Pam?
Spam.
Yeah, whatever it's called.
Don't spam your chicken legs.
Right. All right, we've got a bunch here. I don't know exactly how many are here. Now, for this rub, I'm going to season them up with the sweet barbecue rub. I'm using the Armadillo pepper. This one looks like it's not been opened. You can use whatever you want. Just use a sweet rub. We're going to do the strawberries. I'll put a link if you want to know more about it. But like I say, this recipe, it's not going to make or break it. Her Drunken strawberry glaze is what's going to make this recipe. So I'm just going to season up both sides. So we got the chicken seasoned up. Now this next step, totally optional. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. But you guys know, if you've seen any of our videos, Tammy likes things spicy. So what do you got there?
I got some habanero death dust.
It's easy for her to say. Okay. So this won't alter the flavor of the glaze you're making, right?
No.
Yeah.
It's just going to make it a little spicier.
So what are you going to do here? How are you going to do this?
I am going to some of this in my hand, and then I'm just going to sprinkle this on. So we're not going to go crazy.
All right. So I've touched the chicken. So you get it seasoned up. I'll be the one that turns it over, so you don't have to get chicken on your fingers.
I like that idea.
Yep. And like I say, this, we like a little spice in our food. Leave this out if you don't want it. You don't have the habanero death dust, no issue. You could sprinkle a little cayenne. You could sprinkle red pepper flakes if you want things even milder. I don't think they should use a hot sauce, do you? Won't that change?
No, I'll change the flavor.
Yeah, change the flavor of the strawberry glaze she's making. Let me get these guys turned over for her.
So we're doing the Drunken strawberry glaze. So I chose these orange chips today because orange goes really good with strawberry. So that's what we're going to use today. So we're going to get this Masterbuilt opened up. Get our chicken guys in. I've got this Masterbuilt set at 250 degrees. I'm expecting this cook's going to take 1.5 to 2 hours. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this door shut, and we're going to let these guys cook.
All right, Tammy's going to get this drunken strawberry glaze going. So what have you got here?
I've got the drunken strawberries. I've got fresh sugar. I've got some balsamic vinegar, and I've got fresh basil.
Okay, so I'm going to put a link if you want to see how she made the drunken strawberries, but can you just kind of give folks the 5-second, 6-second overview of what you did?
So these drunken strawberries are already been cleaned and prepped, and then they've been sitting in rosé champagne for probably about 5 hours.
Soaking up the champagne goodness.
Yes, soaking up the champagne goodness. The finished drunken strawberries are already wrapped in sugar as well. They've been dried and wrapped in sugar.
What is it? There's one bottle of champagne? Is that what it is?
Yeah, 1 bottle of champagne.
And
correct.
I know we ate some of the strawberries. Again, go check out that video. But about how many strawberries you got?
About 2 pounds.
Okay, about 2 pounds. That's a lot of strawberries. That was before you cleaned them, right?
Yeah, before I cleaned them and before,
All right, what else are you going to put in?
About a handful of fresh basil. This is from the little aqua pod thing.
Yeah, we got one of those little, what's it called? Aquapod thing in the
Aquaponic,
kitchen. It grows it automatically.
Aquaponic.
Well, not automatically. You have to plant it, I guess.
All right, and this is the fresh granule sugar. So we're going to put that in. This is 1/3 of a cup.
Fresh sugar?
It is granule sugar. It's.
I misunderstood you. You said fresh. I didn't know what fresh sugar was.
It's not This is your granule sugar.
All right, so we got a third cup of brown sugar, right?
Sugar. Yeah.
All right, now what?
It did say fresh because
No.
I was saying fresh everything else, so you know it's just kind of habitual. Okay, balsamic vinegar.
Balsamic vinegar. That sounds good.
Balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna be kind of light on this. I don't want too much.
What's that? 1 tablespoon there.
1 tablespoon.
Is that all?
I'm gonna do 2.
2 tablespoons.
Yeah, we're gonna taste it. It may end up with 3.
All right, and then is it time for me to
Yeah.
hook up the equipment?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let me see if I can't make this work.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, there's your strawberry drunken glaze. All right.
Yeah,
Lid off.
it's perfect.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Just want to show folks these chicken legs that she was smoking in that Masterbuilt. I hope you can see that. They have a beautiful color. It's been 1 hour. They're at 164. We want them to go up to 165 on a chicken leg, right? Okay. Yeah, just pour it in there.
Just pour it in there.
I've learned this lesson before. We've got to be
Yep.
careful with that.
Splashy. Perfect. Smell that goodness. Oh my goodness. That smells so good.
Just going to get this Masterbuilt open back up for Tammy.
All right. I'm going to get these guys.
They sure do smell good already.
Yeah, they do smell really good. I'm going to get these guys in the grill. Okay, I'm going to get this lid shut, and then we're going to let these guys go another 20 minutes or so just to let these guys caramelize. While the chicken was on the Masterbuilt, took this sauce inside and we heated it up. Took it to a simmer for about 20 minutes or so. Now I'm just going to drizzle it over the chicken for our final glaze.
The moment I've been waiting for.
Good.
Huh?
I said that's good.
All right, Joe, just to recap. Saw I duck fatted them up, seasoned them with the Armadillo pepper signature rub. That's a bit of a sweet barbecue rub. And then Tammy came in and hit them with that Habanero death dust to give them a little spice. Don't do that if you don't want. I think it was an hour and 5 minutes, somewhere in there. I added the wood chips. She used orange wood chips 3 times, once every 20 minutes. And then they were in there again about 30 to 40 more minutes. I wasn't exactly watching the clock for that sauce to set, using her drunken strawberries. And again, we'll put the link in this video if you want to see how she went through all the details of making that on the Weekend Bartender channel. I'm ready.
Okay.
Cheers, Amundo.
Cheers.
Look, you see how juicy? Can you see that in the video? Juice is pouring out of these guys. I hope you can see that. Sometimes it's, the lighting's not perfect, but these are so juicy, huh?
Really juicy. You can taste the smoke, but it's not overpowering.
I taste the strawberry. I get some sweetness.
A little bit of spice. Not too much.
There's a little bit of like tang or something. Is that from the strawberries or what's that from?
Well, there's some balsamic in it.
Is that what it is? Well, I tell you. I'm sorry. Very rude, isn't it? Very sorry. Thank you so much for the glaze. Thank you for doing most of the work. Really appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. I shall say you're welcome. Thank you for your...
Hey, thanks so much for watching another one of our videos. If you're not a subscriber, hey, hit the subscribe button. We might make something you might want to make. I've never had chicken legs this juicy before. They're super juicy. And I get strawberry taste even when I'm like down inside it.